Hello everyone, we are Roysov and Vitoza from Spetsgruppa DM and welcome to another Russian Airsoft loadout video. Today we have something else than the FSB and MVD sets we usually review. In this episode we are reviewing a loadout inspired on 34th motorized rifles from top to bottom. On top we have a simple Russian beanie in digital Flora. Then we have the mountain Flora suit with a digital Flora 6sh112. The tactical vest has 4 double stack pouches for 8 AK mags and 2 flares in total. On the right shoulder we have a small utility pouch, mostly used during airsoft games for a phone, keys and other small items. 1 grenade pouch on each side, used for the VOG grenades. While on the back we have a butt pack, and when we are playing longer games we use our day pack where we stack our food, clothes, BBs and other various items. The replica is a CIMA AK74M with a GP25 grenade launcher from D-Boys. As you can see, we wrapped a tourniquet around the stock. On the bottom we have the mountain Flora pants, OD knee pads and Vietnam style boots. For now the boots are a placeholder. So that's it for our third loadout video. If you liked it, please hit the like and subscribe button. You can always find us on Facebook, Spetsgruppa DM. Thank you all for watching and until next time for another Russian loadout review.